So this is the backbone. It's a Target purchase, and this is the new gaming device right now that you can use to transform your iPhone or Android phone into a next level gaming device. So here's the box that it came with. I'm just gonna show you quickly what it says at the back of the box, and it says it can play games that support controllers or connect to services like Xbox, Game Pass, and Apple Arcade. So once you open the box, or it's there's a box inside that cover box. So there is an extra connector there just in case you need it for your other phones. But basically, this is it. You will get QR code so you can download the app to your phone, whichever phone you're using, Android or iPhone. And it's like a controller for like that controller that you use for the Switch. It's almost the same, but that one is just so you'll have it's like you attach your phone on there. And I did download the app before I attach it. So all you need to do is because I'm using an Android phone, the Z Flip 6, so I have to download the Backbone app first before I install that or attach it to the Backbone. So you can look for the Backbone app in your Google Play and then just download, which I just did. And once you downloaded it, you open it, and this is what the initial screen looks like. And here's the Backbone. So basically, it's just the name itself. Like it you attach your phone in there, it supports your phone, so you don't have to, so it's convenient for you to play games from your phone. You don't have to buy any external gaming device, right? So your phone, especially with your iPhone and your Android phone, there's so much games there now you can play. Like most games that you find in any gaming device, you can play on your phone. So this one is just basically making it easy for you. It's like you have like Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch controller. So this is a challenge because this is a Z Flip is a fold phone, so it did work. Just make sure that it's attached very snug and secure so you don't drop your phone. And plus, it does not work if it's not attached correctly, because you are actually controlling your phone using the backbone. So here's the back, and since I already downloaded it, it tells you instruction right away in the phone on what to do next, so you don't have to worry about using the manual. So it says welcome to Backbone, and you just have to agree to a couple of stuff there before you can start gaming. And then for your Backbone, you'll need to enable a few things. This is the one I was talking about. So you have to allow your phone for, you give permission to the Backbone app, because basically it's in your phone and you're using your phone as a gaming machine. You just allow it, and then it will lead you to the settings, and then now it tells you what to do, which button to push. So I'm just completing the agreement, and So, and the next thing you need to do is, because of course you have to subscribe. In order for you to play games, you have to subscribe to Backbone. It says this one has, they have like a 30-day free trial, which is convenient. So I am doing the 30 days free trial to use the Backbone, so I can figure out, what games are in there. Is it very comfortable? Like, do I want to keep it? So I have 30 days. And again, here's the games that I'm talking about. You have a lot there to choose from. With a Backbone subscription, you can play all of them. The only thing you have to worry about is memory on your phone, because you will have to download every game that you want to play. So here is just me trying to agree on the trial, the 30-day trial. But of course, since you're doing the 30-day trial, if you forget to cancel it, you will be charged on the next month after that, because you are going to attach a credit card. You need your credit card in there. So if you forget to cancel it, they will be automatically charging you with a monthly subscription for the Backbone app. It looks like it was $19.99. So after that, you'll just have to verify that you're real. So basically, you have to log in, register to Backbone, of course, with your email, and then they'll have to send a code through your phone that you need to verify before you are able to have full access to the Backbone app and the games that are in the app that you can easily play with. So this is actually convenient, like, because your phone has connection to the internet all the time. If you are wanting to play a game stuck somewhere, or you have a child, it could help. Or if you're a gamer, it is very convenient too. So I'm gonna show you how fast is it, or like it's just a time frame on downloading a game, just a quick, just for you to have an idea. So I'm not gonna forward it. There will be prompts that you would have to agree to. So just you just have to spend at least 10-15 minutes with with the installation. So Monopoly is one of the games there, which they offered right away. I'm going to try a different game. I'm gonna go and browse and see what free games are. I am not sure if you have to purchase the game yet, because I'm just gonna download one game that is free, that is included with a subscription. So I will go and check if, eventually you'll have to purchase a game, or are all the games free with just the monthly subscription. So just as an example, I'm gonna download one free game right now, just so you see how fast the download is gonna be. And right now, it's actually with the view that we have right now, that I have right now. The screen is big enough, depending on how big your phone is, but it's big enough to be able to play comfortably. And it's actually attached very snug, and it's very comfortable. So I'm downloading one game, um, just to try it very quickly. Again, you just have to install. So that means you're using your phone memory. So your phone memory card will be filled up. So basically, if you want to play a lot of games, you're going to download games and it's going to use up your um, memory card. So right now it is downloading. So just a recap, you have to download the Backbone app, and once you pick a game, once you've registered with the Backbone app with your credit card in it, because after the trial, if you don't cancel, you will be automatically charged monthly for the Backbone app subscription. And I'm trying the Sky Children of the Light game right now. I am downloading it, and this is the download time. I haven't forwarded or made the video faster, so you'll have an idea on how long the download is going to be. As soon as the download is done, you don't have to do anything special. You just have to click play, and then that's it. Like basically, this whole video is getting getting the Backbone from the box, attaching the phone, downloading the app to the phone, and downloading and you register. You have to register, and then downloading a game. So it's not bad. And again, I tried it. It felt, it's comfortable. And also you do have a way of recording the game. So this one says start recording or casting with Backbone. So you can record it while playing, or you can cast it to a TV. So I've recorded it, but I will do another video so show how to cast it to your TV.